Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, first of all, welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. In this video, I am sharing very beautiful, exquisite and eye-catchy designs of sunflower embroidery. Friends, I am making this video onto your request, into which you have been saying that please share sunflower embroidery patterns and some easy and creative and very stylish patterns. So friends, in this video we are going to see very beautiful but easy to make sunflower embroidery patterns, and throughout the whole embroidery patterns we are going to learn that how we can use these embroidery patterns for making different type of creative stuffs at wow. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. So going back towards our main details, friends, where you can use these very beautiful 3D creative and easy to make artistic sunflower embroidery patterns to make your pendants, to make your very beautiful everyday stuffs like accessories onto your mobile covers, onto your glasses cover. Even you can design these patterns onto your face masks to look more creative and classy, and at the same time you can use these patterns for designing of your pillows, cushion covers and bed sheets as well. Even you can also design these onto your bags, everyday bags, grocery bags, handbags and many more creative bags. So I hope that you like my today's video. If you will like that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like the video. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, please take care of yourselves and stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. Keep supporting us and keep liking my videos as you always have been.